Yeah, I'll leave now.
We'll just about leave now.
Okay.
I'll still have to follow you.
Okay.
1600N.
1600 November. November.
Northbrook! Oakbrook! Gulf Mill! Gonna wait 1 second. Please have tickets ready. You're in Downers Grove or Woodfield.
Oakbrook Center today. All set. Welcome.
Northbrook?
Yeah. Northbrook, Oakbrook, Gulf Mill. You're welcome. Hello. Gulf Mill. You're all set. Welcome aboard.
Going Northbrook, Oakbrook, Gulf Mill, bus 1.
All right. Oakbrook Center. Welcome aboard. You're welcome. Hello. You're all good. Do you have your ticket ready? Northbrook Court. You're all set. Welcome aboard. Northbrook Court. You're all set. Welcome. At night too, like you can kind of see it right now, but it sparkles through the night. So
Now I feel like we should decorate one. Now
you should have come to the decorating. We'll do it again next year. We'll do it every year.
yeah.
It's gonna happen every year. Wait, have you guys seen the holiday bus? Have they seen the holiday bus? Well, I know those two. Do they want to see it? I have it today. It's this one.
Outside.
Huh?
You have not done the outside.
No, we can't do the outside. But you no. Look inside. Look inside.
Would be like
Off to next one. That's departure. Y'all wanna go? Y'all wanna go with me on this bus?
Exactly. I only get to ride once. What time does it start getting dark?
Like now.
That gets to go through the whole experience.
Yes. So I've actually been assigning this bus on the night runs usually, so
Really?
that way it looks the best. Yeah.
See, Peoria love these people. They don't understand. What bus company y'all go to that?
Just put them here. Those are Oakbrook, right? Yeah, just put them here. Yeah, I got it. I'll remember. Oakbrook, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can't bump the. Yeah, I saw.
No, that
That was a hat? Okay.
okay.
Okay. See y'all later. Thank you. Happy holidays. Good evening, folks. Thank you for choosing Peoria Charter today. My name is Albert. I'll be your driver this evening, headed up to Chicagoland. I do want to first welcome y'all on board our one-of-one holiday bus. This is our one bus that we decorated for the holidays. On our way up to Chicago, we'll be making 3 stops. First stop is going to be Oakbrook Center. First stop, Oakbrook Center. Second stop is going to be Gulf Mill. Second stop is Gulf Mill. And the third and final stop will be Northbrook Court. Third and final stop is Northbrook Court. Our estimated travel time today, based on current traffic conditions, we're looking about 2 hours and 25 minutes to Oakbrook Center. That's putting us arriving just on schedule about 6:55 p.m. Central this evening for Oakbrook Center.